Good afternoon, children. Welcome you all to the Science Video Season Standard 3, Term 2. Today we are going to revise the portion Lesson 3, Plant. The plants have many parts. Plants has many parts. Each part has a set of functions to do. What are the parts? Basic parts of the plants are root, stem, leaf, flower, fruit. Let us recall about various parts of the plants, their function and structure. First part, root. Root is the part of the plant that usually grow under the soil. Root can be different shapes and size. It grow away from the sunlight into the soil. Now we see the function of the root. The first function is fixation. Root fix the plant firmly to the soil, to the ground or soil. Without root, a plant would fall on the ground. Next, observation. The root absorb water, salt, minerals from the soil. This is required for plant. Next, storage of food. In some plants, root stores food. Example, carrot, radish, beetroot. Now we see types of root. There are two types of root: taproot and taproot and fibrous root. First, taproot. Taproot has one main thick root. It grows from radicle and goes deep into the soil. Many small thin roots grow out from the main root. Plants such as carrot, radish, beetroot, mango, neem have taproot. Then fibrous root. Fibrous consists of main thin roots of different size. They grow from the base of the stem and all of them are patched together. They do not go deep into the soil. Plants such as grass, lemon, coconut, banana, grass, onion and wheat have fibrous root. Next, stem. Now we go to difference between taproot and fibrous root. Thin main root that goes deep into the soil. Thus, no fibrous, no main root, and the root do not go deep into the soil. Then side roots are developed from the main root. The roots are developed from the base of the stem. Look like a long tap, look like a punch. Next part, second part is stem. Second part of the plant is stem. The stem is the main part of the shoot system. It grows upward from the root. It goes to the sunlight. It look green when it is young. Branch, leaves, buds, flower and fruits grown from the stem. Stem hold the plant erect and carry water and nutrients from the stem to the other part of the plant. This is the main function of the stem. The main function of the stem is to support the whole plant. The herbs such as coriander, mint have thin and weak stem. The banyan have very strong and thick stem. Okay. Then some stems store excess food in them. Example, sugarcane, potato, ginger, onion and lotus root. Okay. Next, leaf. Leaves originate from the structure of the stem. The main function. The stem contains chlorophyll, the green pigment in the leaf. The traps sunlight to make food. The leaves always is flat, thin and green. The green color comes from leaves contain chlorophyll. So only the leaves have green color. Okay, some leaves have an even specific smell. The leaf prepare their own food. Okay, for their plant with the help of water, carbon dioxide, in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. This process is called photosynthesis. So only we call it food factory of the plant. Leaf is called as food factory of the plant. Next, stomata. Leaf contain also stomata. The stomata exchange the gases. Main function is exchange the gases. We already know that plant take oxygen, release carbon dioxide. The leaves of some plants are eatable and rich in nutrients. Example, spines, mint. These are store food and eatable pot. Some others, spines, citrilli, coriander, mint. These leaves that we eat. Next, flower. The flower are the most beautiful part of the plant. Is more attractive and colorful. There are different shapes, size, color and ferment. The flower develop from the bud. Thus now see the part of the flower. The soft and brightly colored part of a flower is called petal. The green part that lie under the petal and support is called sepal. The middle part, the flower's two parts called stamen and pistil. These are the parts of the flower. The main function of the flower is they attract the insect. And another function is the flower chain develop into fruit. They attract the insect like butterfly, bees, ladyfinger. Why the fruit insect will attracting the flower means the flower have nectar in them. These nectar is food for the bees and butterfly. So these are main function of the root, stem, leaf, flower in the plant. Then it helps plant to reproduce. Then fruits. Fruit is the fleshy part of the plant. The fruits are developed from the flower. Most fruits have seeds. Some fruits have the trees are developed from only seeds. Some fruits have only one seed. That fruits are single seed fruit. Example, apricot, avocado, mango. Some fruits have multiple seed fruits. So what are the fruits? Pomegranate, apple, guava, custard apple. Some fruits have no seed. That fruits, what are the fruits, children? Give you example. Banana and pineapple. Okay. Thank you, children. I hope that you have recalled the parts of the plant and structure and function of that parts. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.